Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the new address in the Amazon Shopping application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and select the second option there. And after doing so, you should scroll down here a little bit until you will find the Your Account section, and right next to it you should press on the See All option. And now you should scroll down a little bit, and here under the account settings category you will find the Your Addresses option, which is the fourth one here. Press on that and you can just add the new address. You can see the first one, and once you press on it you can select here the country, then enter your full name, your phone number. You can also press on Use Your Location to basically do it easier. You can also select here your address. You can see the two boxes that you can fill in: your city, your state, your zip code, and finally you can select it to make this address to be your default address. Now you can also add delivery instructions, but those are optional. And once you're done with all of this, all you have to do is just press Add Address at the bottom of your screen and the new address will be saved. So yeah, this is pretty much all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.